Every family or everyone wants to have some outings or outside travels or to go for sightseeing after frequently. So now when you want to go for outside for sightseeing or for tours and travels, then you have to have a financial planning to meet the requirements to have a comfortable, happy travel, happy outing. So now the planning is required. First step is to ensure how much fund is available to spend for outing, means for travels and for luxury trip or travel trip like that. Fund should be from your savings only, not from borrowed money. Everyone, when you want to go away, when you want to go for outing, when you want to go for a jolly trip, you have to use your own money and you have to verify how much money is available for a jolly trip. So that money, when the money availability is confirmed, then you can go for planning who are going to be, how many members and who are joining with in the jolly trip. Maybe couple only, or maybe children, or maybe with parents. And if anybody wants to, any other one also joining the jolly trip. So that will make the amount required to be spent, amount available to spend, and people are going to accompany in the jolly trip. And that is when that is decided. Then it depends upon the money available for jolly trip. The location may be discussed, the location may be identified, because the locations may be in the interest of parents may be interested in heritage, and young boys may be young boys and children may be interested in sports and beaches like that, and couple may be interested in hilly areas. So they let them have a comparison and what to go, where to go, and how to spend also. Then based on that we can decide the location based on the financial sources available. Then when the money is decided, members are decided, and location is decided, then you can go for actual journey, preparation for journey. So for that purpose you have to make a booking in advance with hotels, sightseeing agencies, or traveling, a flight or trains or anything to come and go from the site, or from one site to other site also. You can make comfortable bookings in advance, so that there cannot be confusion or there cannot be a problem at the place of location. So this, and also the people who are accompanying or joining the jolly trip needs to take care of health requirements, maybe some tablets or precautionary measures, or some hill areas, or some seashore areas, or some cool places need some precautions that may be taken away, that may be taken care of for taking up the jolly trip. And also one more thing is the luggage. It is better to have less luggage, more comfort. Always less luggage, more comfort is happy. It will result into happiness. But if more luggage is there, it will be very difficult and it will be unhappy to carry on the journey as well as to movement and anything. And there may also be misunderstanding and disturbance also in the people joined there. So then less luggage, more comfort is advisable. And then comes to make the preparation for stay in the hotels, bookings made, and travels from there to sightseeing or some other locations. The hotel where you stay may be booked by sightseeing, or you have to go for some other travel agencies to take to the sightseeing places. That may be better, because it is better always make a journey or sightseeing with approved or registered travel agent instead of going for local travel agent, because registered travel agent will be feeling responsible and accountable to the hotel as well as the travel agency, and whereas the local owners may not be having that much responsible or that much happiness to the travelers. So these travel agents, booking of travels, booking of location hotels and travel agencies also plays an important role for happiness of the jolly trip. If the travel agencies are not performed well, or if the hotel comfortness is not good, the jolly trip will not become happy trip. So to ensure happiness, all the bookings should be made in advance, all the preparations should be made in advance. One more precaution needs to be taken is another additional financial security. Of course, what are the money required may be paid through debit cards or online payments. But even if the card is not working, if the payment is not possible through online, you should carry some basic requirement of cash, basic amount of cash along with you, so that it will make, if the banker is, if it is not possible because of low connectivity or no connectivity at the hotel, that may create some problem. For that reason, it is better to have some cash also along with you, so that it will reduce the tension, or it will reduce comfort, it will increase comfortness while payment or while traveling. Or some places it may not be acceptable to the people to other than cash, they may require only cash only, or sometimes they may accept cash but the connectivity may not be possible. That will to overcome such problems, connectivity problems or cash problems, it is better to carry some cash with us, and so it will help to ensure a comfortness and happiness in the Jolly trip. These Jolly trips may be carried on by the family or couple with children, or family parents or family members only, or can be carried on other friends and relatives, and so that the group will have good enjoyment in the Jolly trip. Otherwise, if the people are not having a similar mind, similar attitude, it may disturb, it may cause misunderstanding among the group also. So, while selecting the people to join with or to go with, better option to accept them or not to accept them, or join with them or not to join with them, so that it should be, don't be under impression or don't be under compulsion to join with anyone unless it is your comfortness and happiness is confirmed or ensured. So, the people with whom you are making Jolly trip should be acceptable to you, adjustable and comfortable to your attitude, behavior, and need not be enforced, not be forced to accept their others' wishes and whims. And it is better to take precaution while selecting the people also with whom you want to carry on the Jolly trip.